Hello everyone. So this is yet another very amazing video. See my hair. So ever wondered how you can switch from this to a very presentable look with ponytails? Yeah, you heard me right. Ponytails. This video would be about making how I make my ponytails in less than 5-10 minutes, and I can switch my look like real fast for any ushering job. So most times, most ushering agencies require specific hairstyles just so they can meet up with like uniformity for particular jobs. So they tell you do a ponytail, and then you probably have braids on, or you might not, but you want to make your ponytail the day before, and you don't have lots of like cash, or you don't want to waste unnecessary money going to the salon, and they tell you to pay 10,000 to 12,000 naira to make your hair. Something you can just quickly do at home. So I have some basic things I have at home. I have my hair gel, my hand dryer, my leave-in conditioner to make my hair soft, because usually my hair is like this, it's not wet. I don't like making my hair wet. Make my hair soft and able to comb through. I have my edges brush, I have the bricks brush for brushing my hair, and I also have my edge control, and lastly my mousse, hair mousse. So I'll be using all these things to transform my hair from looking like this to a very chic high ponytail look. Keep watching. So, getting right into this video, what I'll be using first is my leave-in conditioning milk. I use it for my hair to make my hair very soft. What I do is I take a little portion here, I mix it with my tea tree oil. Tea tree oil, I use it to treat dandruff or itchy scalp, and I mix it with a little bit of water, as you can see here. So what I'll be doing now is moisturizing my hair with this, just spraying around my hair and massaging my scalp as I go. My hair is now all saturated in the conditioning milk, and it's ready to be worked on. Then I comb through it. Because I'm doing a high ponytail, I'm combing it all the way to the front, right? Because I'll be packing it somewhere around here. So from this point, I'll be going in with my hair gel. This is a black hair gel. So now I have gel all over my hair, and I'll proceed to brush it into the position I want it to be at, and secure it with a rubber band. So now it's all secured. I'll be drying up my hair with my hand dryer, just like very fast. Usually I let it air dry, but for the sake of this video, I'll be drying up my hair like really, really fast. And after I do that, I would mat hair into a braid kinda, so that I can easily attach my detachable ponytail to it, and then it doesn't come out. So I'll just do a protective styling on this particular part of the hair. So now it's all dried. I'll just go ahead and mat. I already divided it into three. I take this and I wrap it in like so. So it stays this way. I go in to do my edges. So just use the regular toothbrush and edge control to get this done. So I'll be doing that like real quick. So I just got done with this part, as you can see. Let's move here. Tada! So we are done now. As you can see. So just lock all this in place. I go in with my hair mousse and tie up my front with this piece of cloth. My front, my edges. So this is what it looks like. So I just let this sit a little and cover it up with this. This is it. Secured. The ponytail I'll be using. I've been using this ponytail for like a long time, almost 2 years, a year, and it's actually a semi fiber hair. So let's go in with it. This is one of the pins. It has two pins actually for front and back, and then this rope to secure it. I'm just going to pull this and hold this like this, take around just to secure it in place. We're almost done. So one thing I usually do is I just take a very small portion of it, like so, just to conceal this ends like this. Ta-da! So this is what it looks like. This is how it came out. This is how it came out. So what do you guys think? Do you like the method I used? Is there anything you were doing differently from what I did? I just took off um this piece of cloth I used to dry out my edges after applying the mousse. Copy what I did. If you would kindly let me know in the comment section. So thank you for watching my video.